Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today I'm going to be showing you around my living room, or you may call it a family room. This is the area where we watch TV. Even though I do have a theater room as well, this is kind of where we watch the news and watch a couple of shows and things like that. So I'm just going to show you what I did in the room because I am going to change it up quite a bit for Christmas. The room is not 100% finished, but I'll go ahead and show you what I've done. So let's start over here by the fireplace. The fireplace itself is from WAYFAIR. On top of the fireplace, I put these pumpkins. I got these pumpkins from HOMEGOODS last year. The boxes in the middle, they are from GALLERIE, and they're really good for covering like those wires that come from the TV that has to go down to the outlet. That's a good way of covering that area if you're wondering how to cover cords. Above that space, above the TV, I just put this metal decor piece, and that is from Ross, and I've had that for a while. On the other side of the room is where I have the couch facing the TV because that's the most convenient place for it to be. And this couch is from Ashley Furniture. It's super comfortable. Right behind the couch, I have this accent wall set up here. This beautiful fan I had installed. I love that. I'm going to show you that a little bit closer in a minute. I also put in this grass cloth wallpaper. I use this because it's really subtle. I didn't want anything too overbearing in here. And I just set up a couple of lamps over here because my entire living room basically has gold and silver accents, so I put a lot of gold over here. Those two in the middle are also from GALLERIE. The wall art, the abstract wall art, which I absolutely love, and I love putting them in pairs. These are from Ross, and they were $29 each, so that was a steal. So over on the other side of the room, I'll show you what I have on this little accent table with these two accent chairs. Just some coffee table books and a magnifying glass. All of those are from HOMEGOODS. This is a new pillow that I recently picked up from HOMEGOODS, and I love the texture in it. And I haven't taken the tags off yet because I was still thinking about it, but I'm definitely keeping it. But I'll give you a closer look at that texture also before the end of the video. So let me show you the curtains in here. And guys, I have been really shopping at HOMEGOODS because this is also from HOMEGOODS. These curtains here, they are 108 inches long. They go from the ceiling to the floor, and you'll get to see that again. These pillows here, they are cut velvet, and I absolutely love them. I wanted to put gray throughout this space because my bar stools, which are right in the kitchen next to this area, it are also gray. The throw, that UGG throw, that is so comfy and cozy, and that is from Ross. Show you what I have on the coffee table. If you have a rectangular coffee table like this, you just want to basically put 3 sets of items, or if not 3, you just want it to be in an odd number. When decorating, always remember to use odd numbers in the pieces that you put out because for some reason that just works. Just showing you the remote control to turn the fireplace off, and I absolutely love it. That area right over there by the door, that's the area I need to finish. But I will show you that in another video when I finish. This is a closer look at that fan. That fan is actually from Lowe's, and I absolutely love it. It's just a little tiny bit of glam, but for the most part, it coordinates with everything. Put a couple of pieces here just for a little bit of storage. These two ottomans here are from Amazon. Had them for a while. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the living room video. Definitely let me know in the comments if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video. And remember to hit the subscribe button because this channel is all about home decor, decorating, and trying to turn your house into a home. If you're looking to do any of those things, or if you love home decor, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So guys, thank you for coming along the way with me, and I will see you in the next one.